Cut on, Quick Cutz family. Get ready to head on to my next destination, get everything packed up, all set to roll out. But what I'm gonna do is do one last check before I roll out to make sure tires are good, make sure all the equipment is locked down so that I'm not riding around with my trailer down and expensive line equipment roll off the back of the truck. So we see that the tires look good. Tires are looking good. Want to make sure that over time, especially in the winter time, that weight is not deflating and putting the tires down and causing trouble with the rims. We're all latched up right here. Now, we don't put the locks on if we know we're going straight to a destination, but if we know we're going to stop, you know, make a pit stop for bathroom or drinks or lunch, something like that, locks is already on. And the kind of locks that we do have, let me do the round of the truck walk around first before because I can do that last when I get in there. The tires are good. Let's see if the door is locked. No, the door is not locked. I'm about to go and unlock this door. I had to use it to go inside to gas up one of my blowers. But the reason why I want to keep this locked is because I would hate to forget, get back to our destination, lock everything up, and then I have my son right here with me, working for me again today, and realize this door is locked. But sometimes this door does not close all the way, and it can fly open as you drive, and that's the last thing you want to do is turn the corner and a car right next there in this door, and tap it.
And also, you have a potential client over there next door.
All right, we're gonna go in and pass out a flyer and let her know that we'll be back there to serve her through Quick Cutz Premium. Tires are good. All tires are good. We ready to roll. Let me show you that lock that we use. We have two different locks. One is the one that we use, you know, when we close down shop overnight, and that is this style lock right here. This is the best one to, you know, keep people from getting there with those bolt cutters and clipping our locks. The lock that I use for a temporal stop is this lock right here with the combination, and it's real simple. You know, just has an alphabetic combination, and throw it on real quick, pull it off. Don't need any keys or anything like that. And so some of those that are working with you that you don't have a key to your locks can easily get in and get out. And then when you get home, like I said, you take that off and then you put on the permanent lock. All right, about to pull out one of my flyers, and we're gonna go and get a potential customer because she saw what type of quality work that we've been doing here at this location. So, cut on, Quick Cutz family. I'm out.